2024 is full of upcoming tech, and here we are going through all of the biggest upcoming ones. Welcome to Technics. First, we have GDDR7 memory for graphic cards. We will see it in upcoming GPUs. RTX 5000 and RX 8000 series, which are coming out in 2025. GDDR7 will be way faster than GDDR6 and 6X, which we have now. GDDR7 starts with a speed of 36 gigabytes per second, but has a prognosis to be able to be as fast as 50 gigabytes per second. Next, we have AMD's upcoming X870 to B450 motherboards. AMD is upgrading motherboards for any price range. These chipsets are coming at the same time as Ryzen 9000 series later this year. Most interesting thing in these upcoming motherboards is that they have 2 of 8 main 2 places along the other motherboard backplate connections. Because AMD is upgrading CPUs to more powerful ones, Intel must do the same, and this is why Intel is releasing their Arrow Lake processors at the end of 2024. Arrow Lake is the 15th gen from Intel, and it is going to use a new socket LGA 1851 and not 1700 anymore like 14th gen used. But Intel is not stopping in Arrow Lake CPUs. There are also rumors that Intel is releasing their Bartlett Lake low-end processors with Arrow Lake processors. With information we have now, Bartlett Lake would be using an old 1700 socket, so it would be possible to use older DDR4 memory with them. Next, we talk about AMD's 9000 Zen 5 series. 9000 will use AMD's latest socket AM5 and later's memory, which is DDR5. 9000 series do not support DDR4 anymore. AMD is going to take the place of the best performance in the market with 9000 series and will be going past Intel's 14 series, which was like only a boost from 13 series. Maybe AMD is going to make an even faster and better gaming CPU than the 7800X3D. We will see. Here we have the next upcoming biggest tech for the year 2024. Also, we can wait for more Project Zero cases and motherboards. Cables are slowly disappearing in 2024 and becoming past PC building. So all this said, please leave a comment which one you are waiting for the most and why. Have a great day with tech.